Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the file open and the column selected. Start now by duplicating that column for safety. Next, in a helper column, enter equals trim, A2, and fill down to clean extra interior spaces and remove leading or trailing spaces. Once done, copy the helper column, paste special as values over the original, and delete the helper if desired. Make sure to check for non-breaking spaces, which trim does not remove. If trim didn't fix everything, you likely have non-breaking spaces or hidden characters. In a helper cell, use equals substitute, trim A2, char 160, and fill down to swap char 160 for normal spaces. Once done, wrap clean if you see line breaks. Equals clean substitute, trim A2, char 160. For complex splits, use text split or text to columns, then text join with a single space to rebuild names or phrases, preserving intentional spacing. After verifying cleaned values, select the helper column and paste special right arrow values over the originals to finalize changes, then remove helper columns. If you notice recurring odd characters, use find and replace with alt plus 0160 or specific strings to remove them. If something looks off, compare len, original versus len, clean to spot extra invisible characters. When necessary, rerun substitute.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.